This is John. John seems to have a flat battery.
So you got some problems?
Yeah, I assume my battery is flat?
I got this. Sorry, you what?
My battery?
I got this.
Is that a bike pump?
No, it's a battery pump for your flat battery.
It says bike pump on the pump.
Try now? Jump start doesn't work.
Oh, dear. And that is why you only trust professionals when it comes to your fleet.
Your NFA technician has been dispatched.
NFA saves the day.